A good speech that I mostly observe on TED Talks employs narration, exposition, and persuasion. Here is something that I would like to share to you. A speech I created whose title is Combating Plastic Pollution, Our Duty and Opportunity. When I was a child, I remember family trips to a serene beach where crystal clear waves would wash over the shore, carrying nothing but seashells and seaweed. Fast forward to just last summer, I visited the same beach, only to find it littered with plastic bottles, food wrappers, and countless sachets. The sight was both heartbreaking and alarming. This stark contrast made me realize there is an urgent need for our immediate and collective action to combat plastic waste. To understand the magnitude of the problem, consider these facts. According to World Bank data, 4.8 to 12.7 million tons of plastic waste enter the ocean every year. The Philippines, unfortunately, ranks as the third largest contributor, trailing behind only China and Indonesia, with around 0.75 million metric tons of mismanaged plastic ending up in the sea annually. Our economy's reliance on low cost, single use sachets, referred to as the sachet economy, exacerbates this issue. It's estimated that 163 million sachets are used every day in the country, contributing to 2.7 million tons of plastic waste generated yearly. You might wonder, aren't there laws to combat this plastic waste crisis? In fact, there are. Germany has Packaging Act wherein traders are made responsible to participate in the recycling of their product packaging. South Korea has extended producer responsibility law wherein producers are held accountable for the waste management of the products they produce. In the Philippines, we have Extended Producer Responsibility Act of 2022. The law requires large companies to manage plastic packaging waste properly, especially single-use plastics. Failure to meet the law's targets can result in fines and the suspension of a business permit. The change we need goes beyond laws and regulations. It involves each and every one of us. It's not just up to companies to act, it's about what we do as individuals too. We need to change how we think and behave. Think about the impact when plastic pollution continues unchecked. It damages our marine ecosystems, compromises public health as microplastics enter our food and water, worsens flooding by clogging drainage systems, endanger marine creatures through ingestion and entanglement, and affect the livelihoods of our coastal communities. The damage plastic causes is truly and worryingly immense. I often find myself reminiscing about those cherished moments when my family and I spent carefree days at the beach. Old photos indeed capture the precious moment in time. Look at that, so full of life in this photo. How I long to return to that same spot, hoping to relive those treasured memories. But the truth is, I can no longer see that paradise. We humans are fleeting, but nature is enduring. It will remain as long as we nurture and protect it. This is why investing in environmental education is crucial. Environmental education is the process of teaching people about the natural world and how to make informed, responsible decisions to protect and sustain it. By teaching future generations about environmental sustainability, we lay the foundation for preserving these special places. Only then we can ensure that the beauty we once cherished will be there for others too, so they can create happy memories there too. Let this be the moment we decide to make a change together. If our leaders commit to strong environmental education programs, imagine what we can accomplish in our schools and our communities, empowering us all with the knowledge to protect what we love. Picture the difference stricter policies can make by holding companies accountable for the plastics that pollute our world. I ask you to close your eyes for a moment and picture returning to that beach one day, not with a heavy heart, but with hope. Picture the waves rolling in, carrying the sparkle of nature instead of debris. I cannot do this alone. I need you, your voice, your actions to make this vision a reality. Let's stand together, not just for the memories we cherish, but for the future we want to create. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you get ideas on how to write your persuasive speech and how to deliver it. This is Gilvan. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, here in Wanderings. Goodbye.